Good morning, it's Rudy from Multitech. I'm the supervisor here. And what we're preparing to do is a copper coat on a Lagoon 50. Well, the benefit is that it's a solid and hard bottom paint that protects the boat. It doesn't get barnacles. The procedure here is to mix these products. The resin is part A and the hardener is part B. So we mix that with a drill till it gets to a viscosity. And then we're gonna slowly add the copper to it and continue mixing it until we get it completely all mixed together. And then we proceed to apply it to the hull. As you can see, the hull has been prepped. And we wipe the whole hull with alcohol, prepare for the application. Let's say we apply one coat and we let sit, so we gotta wait till it's completely tacky. Then we proceed to do the second coat, a total of 4 coats. There's these areas where you can't catch with a roller, so you have to touch them up with a brush.